Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can unlock your Yubo account without your verification. Here I have just created my Yubo account and also verified my account, which is just a really easy process of you showing that you are of your age to use your Yubo. Right now it is not possible to unlock your Yubo account without verification because you need to verify your age in order to log in or use into your Yubo. Yubo account is not made for kids as it is a messaging app for adults. So you do need to verify your age, which is just a really simple process. So you can just verify your age and it will be no problem for you. So this was for this video, and I hope you find the information of our video helpful, for which you cannot unlock your Yubo account without verification. I hope you guys find the information of our video helpful. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.